passport size traveler's notebook that I recently bought. I actually got this from Osaka, Japan when I was there a few weeks ago. This is from the Travelers Company and I got mine in the color blue. I got this in blue because I have that brown and camel tone ones already, although they're not Midori, so yeah, but that's okay. So if you want to see how I set up or what is my setup and a few clips of my unboxing, then just keep watching. So if you guys have noticed, I changed the color of the strap. From the original blue one, I used this yellow mustard one. I just like the contrast of these colors, the blue and the yellows. And fortunately, I found a charm that matches the color of the strap, so I'm very happy with it. And this is a Totoro bookmark. Now let's open it. So the first thing that you'll see is this one. I actually forgot to buy that stick-on pouch that will be placed here. I really love those, but unfortunately I didn't see that in Tokyo Hands. I was quite overwhelmed with the place, so yeah. Anyway, so this is the first one. This is a zipper pouch. This one has two card slots. In here I have a traveler sticker with my name on it, and on the other one I have a picture of a deer and me, washi tape samples, and some bookmark that my friend got me. Yeah, this picture was taken in Japan, so this will be a pain to put everything back, so excuse me while I struggle for a minute. So there, putting everything back in order again. On the other side of the zipper pouch is this big pocket. I have this Instax picture of me and my boyfriend from our recent Japan trip. I just love this picture. So this is a sticky notes. I just love having ready sticky notes in my notebooks. So this is the journal that comes with the traveler's notebook itself. This is their free one. I think this is the regular blank page. I won't be showing you though what's inside because I'll do a separate video for my Japan travel. So here I decorated this notebook with stickers, and then I wrote journal. I will show you though the first page. This one, I just put a quote in here that says, "Never let your mind tell your heart not to wonder." I just really love that quote. And this is the first page to Japan trip, which I won't show you. So this, I have some sticky notes again, and I put this kind of label thing that comes with the traveler notebook when you bought it. I just ripped it out because it won't fit. And this is the other half of the zipper pouch. I just got in here some stickers. I actually bought the stickers even before I knew I will go to Japan, which is cute because this shows those Japan streets and stores. And in here I have some currencies that I collect. Whenever I travel, I make sure that I keep a few of the money for souvenirs. And this one is a reindeer envelope and more stickers. So excuse me while I put everything back in order again. So in here I have this the thing I made with tracing paper. I just used 2 tracing papers and I have this dried leaf sitting on my book. I just pressed it using 2 tracing papers, and it's quite not the way I like it to look, but I think it's okay. So this is the craft folder that I DIY'd. Again, I forgot to buy a craft folder in Tokyo Hands, but this will do. So in here is the lightweight paper that I bought from Japan as well. I use it for my notes. I decorated this with Live Every Day. It's kind of sad though, so I'm not really done decorating that part yet. So in here are some of my emails that I need to be responding to, so I won't show that to you just yet. And some few more random notes like YouTube ideas, morning exercises, and whatnot. So this is the other end of that label that won't fit in one notebook, so I put the other end in here. This is the other side of the craft folder and the other side of the tracing paper. And that is pretty much it for my setup for my new passport size traveler's notebook. I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I will try to be active. Right now I have a few more videos lined up, so I hope you're excited for that as well, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.